Hello, hello. Check one, two. All right, we got some sound now. Okay. So, welcome. It is Friday, February 27th. We got about 10 minutes to market open. Looks like we had quite an exciting day yesterday, quite a dump in the market. And as we take a look at what our daily bias is going to be here, let's see what's been happening. So on the 1 hour chart, looks like we're clearly broken our uptrend, now in a downtrend, and pretty much still dumping. Um, we'll have to see if this is something where we end up with maybe a little check on the downswing and then a move back up. Usually, big moves like this are followed by moves that work their way back up in sort of a V shape. So we will have to see what's going on there. Clearly, London session has been a major downtrend. We had some sideways action here after a move. So then we had a market manipulation and a downturn. So here we might look for maybe a manipulation and a continuation, or we could look for a manipulation, maybe something that dips down into this area here, or for the S&P down in this area here, and then a turn up. Especially after what would look like so much of a consolidation kind of area that's in through here without much real action going on. So it looks like the last couple days market action did fill some of these fair value gaps on the 1 hour. Let's take a look over here. And we filled the 1 hours here, coming up, big dump. So yeah, I think we're still in a downtrend. We have a lot of fair value gaps that we can work here. I think I'm just going to take a look at price action and see what it says. Right now it looks like a downtrend, so the trend would be down as well. Even the 4 hour is telling us that we're now in a downtrend. So we might even see a little bit of a pop up here and then a continuation down for there. As you can see, the market tends to like these peaks right here, these little church steeples, as I've been calling them. Excuse me. And you can see that these church steeples, this one isn't quite complete, so we might look at getting down into this area. So this could be a target to look at, depending on how that works in the opening range. So, okay, let's get to cleaning up the charts real quick. I'm going to switch back to the 5 minute, whoops, and get these marked out. Okay, let's go ahead and switch them both. Clean both of them up at the same time. There we go. That should be good. Yeah, everything looking pretty consistent between them as well. I'm not really seeing any SMT divergence on the 5 minute here. Just making some observations while I'm marking off areas of liquidity. All right, so first we're just going to start by cleaning things up. So let's get rid of a few of these indicators of liquidity that aren't going to apply anymore to this situation because they've been cleaned out. This takes a little time here. This is usually something that I end up doing probably 30 minutes before market open, just because it takes a little time. Let's see here. We got a few of them over here still. And then from there, we're going to mark out our areas of liquidity. Yeah, we have this huge down dump. I mean, I am seeing that we're probably going to head down in this region to finish that off and then reverse back up. So that's what I'm feeling right now. Market open. This is our area of manipulation with a move back up. So that's going to be my bias for today. We'll see about being able to take a trade on the opening manipulation move if it does go the direction I'm thinking. Just see if we got some confirmations that we can work with there. Okay. All right, let's get a few of these things marked off. We'll start with New York, since that color is already set. All right, New York was, oh, I shouldn't have put that other New York in, didn't need to. Okay. Let's get rid of this one because this has been taken out. Take London. Okay, we have nothing from Asia session because those have been taken out. So we actually have a pretty simple looking there we go. Okay, all in all, a pretty simple looking chart. Like I said, my initial bias on market open is going to be coming down to these lows. I think that's where the market manipulation is going to go. So right now I'm just looking for got about 3 minutes to market open. Just looking for what I want to take as my confirmation. Market open probably might take a stab at some of these areas of liquidity just to mess around and chop up some initial takers. So got a small fair value gap here and here. So if we get something that comes up through here but doesn't break this and then starts coming down, I think we can be confident that we're going to start heading south. So I mean, this has been pretty much straight up, straightforward pattern flow. Yeah, this is already dipping down. It might very well push London lows even a little lower now before market open. We're only 90 seconds. But I'm really thinking that's where we're going to go. I'm not seeing that one is necessarily a larger indicator over the other. Let me go to the 1 hour real quick and see if we got some highs and lows to. Yeah, see the way I'm seeing this, dipping down and then surging right back up. We have, yeah, I'm seeing that as a dip down and a surge back up. Okay, wow. There's really not much other areas of liquidity. Okay, we're going to wait for market open here in about 35 seconds, 30 seconds, and begin to go from there. I think the short is the good way to go on opening range. And I think I'll take it on the NASDAQ. That looks to be the more aggressive start right now. Okay, we got market open. Let's look to see a little surge up first. Okay, looking pretty good. And then we just want a little bit of that liquidity above this mark right here. Okay. There we go. I'm going to take a short right now. I'm going to take two. And we're just going to hang on a little bit here. We want to take out those London lows. So that's really where our range is. I'm going to drop to the 1 minute just so I can follow it a little tighter. Okay. Got that topping tail. So that's a good indicator there. You just need to hang out a little bit because I really think we're looking at getting down in this area here. So, all right, I'm going to pop out right now. Looked like we had quite a growth on that. Where are we at with that? Yeah, we did pretty good. Let me see where I'm at here because I'm not looking to get, all right, 675. Yeah. You know, I'm happy with that. That was pretty darn good. All right. I think I'm done. I don't know how I got there. You know, I'm expecting this to drop even more. It's just being a little slow today, but I seem to get what I needed out of it. So, to tell you the truth, this is going to be another good quick one, boys and girls, because you know, I got stuff to do today. I've got one more show on our 4-day mini tour. This one's a few hours away and is going to be a long, long day. So I've got other things to concentrate on. I think all in all, it went the way that I wanted it to, for the most part. But yeah, slow price action today. I think since I got rated, I'm just gonna call it good and take the W. And we will see you all on Monday. So happy work on the price action. Be cautious. Be smart. Use good psychology and use good strategy. And we will see you all on Monday. Okay. Take care, y'all.